Well, I thought I'd do a really quick video here. I mean, this is very, very quick. It looks like I might be taking a van life break. I'm not. uh, but my van's back in the shop. I'm getting a couple of other things done. One which is an immediate requirement because it decided it was going to fail completely. I got to get the switch fixed so I can go between tanks. That'll make my life a lot less complicated. And I am also getting ball jointed tie rods, which will make me a lot more likely to survive. Wheel popping off at speed is not a good thing. And I'll be able to leave my suburbs and go visit friends. I haven't done much of that because I didn't want to get my tie rod sensitive van out on the highway. In case that's all I wanted to let you know. That's what's going on. You'll see a few more knife videos. I'm still cleaning out my other channel, and I want to get those posted up. You are completely free, like you didn't know to begin with, to ignore those. But those do generate views, and one of these days I'll do the equipment reviews. Are very, 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 very good for generating views. They don't generate subscribers all the time, but they do generate a few views here and there. So that's what I'm going to be working on. I'll submit a few of those and a few others. I've got some camera reviews I haven't done yet and a few other things. All right, I'll be getting back to you pretty soon with new videos on a variety of topics. Hopefully I will get my van back today, and it will be a little bit more functional than when it went into the shop.